If you're afraid that people will judge you for posting videos, they will. But that's okay, because those aren't the people that you want in your life anyway. Like, the person who judges you for like trying to put yourself out there, for trying to build a brand, for trying to like just express yourself, that's not the type of friend that you want to have in the first place. So don't let that hold you back from getting started, because the first step of being a content creator is overcoming people's opinions. It's being able to put yourself out there despite the fact that people would see it, because you have to put yourself out there in order to practice, in order to get better, in order to get to the point where you can actually make money from this. So it's like, don't let those people's opinions hold you back from living the life that you want to live. Because if you do that, if you let people's opinions hold you back from living the life you want to live, then you're not even living your own life. You're living the life that they want you to live. So they have control over your life, because there's really two main decisions in your life. Well, number one is like what you do for your career, so making videos could be part of that. And number two is who you marry. If people impact or decide any of those two decisions, then they control your life. Congrats, you're letting the people that you don't like, who's or even your friends, control your life. It's like, that's not how you want to live. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're not letting anyone's opinions hold you back, and that includes yourself. Because a lot of people, they don't make content because they have certain self-doubts. They're like, oh, I'm not good looking enough to make content. It's like, bro, is there anyone who's less attractive than you who is making content and making money from it? Yeah, of course, there's plenty of people who are going to be less attractive than you that are still making videos and making money from this. Like, people are making millions of dollars just by talking to their phones. Like, literally think about this. Just by having a phone, which you have, a camera, and just the ability to talk properly, they are making millions. Some of them don't even talk properly. You don't even have to talk properly. Some of them are making millions of dollars. So it's like, you have all the tools that you need. You just need to get started and practice consistently, and then eventually it gets to the point where you start to make money from this. And yeah, of course, it's going to be annoying that people are going to judge you, and like some people will make slick comments, and maybe some people will think you're cringe. But that's okay, because you need to just get over it in order to like develop the skills that are necessary to actually make money from doing this. And I promise you that it's so rewarding once you're able to let go of people's opinions and just be able to express yourself and actually like put yourself out there. Even if you're not making money from it, it's just rewarding to do it, because you're expressing yourself. You're talking about the things you want to talk about, and then you can go to sleep at night being like, oh, at least I'm expressing myself. Like, at least I'm trying to do the things that I'm passionate about. So it's like, don't let people's opinions hold you back from getting started, because you don't want them to control your life. You want to live life on your own terms. You want to be the person that you truly envision yourself being. And part of that might be making videos. And part of who you want to be should be speaking articulately, because that helps you in so many areas of life: business, making content, making friends, relationships. So it's like, just have some sort of outlet to express yourself. Could be making videos, could be writing. Just have something, because that could, in the end, make you money. And also, at the very least, it gives you some way to get your thoughts like out of your mind into like a real format that could be beneficial to other people. So make sure you're not letting anyone's opinions hold you back. That's step one. Step two is to post consistently, because that's how you actually overcome the fears, by your actions. It's not just by thinking about it once and being like, okay, it's not going to hold me back anymore. It's by consistently putting yourself out there. Like, try and make 30 videos. If you make 30 videos just talking about whatever, one, you'll get better speaking on camera. Two, you'll overcome, at least in part, people's opinions of you, like people's negative opinions. You'll be like, okay, despite the fact that I know anyone could watch this video, I'm okay putting it out there, because I want to express myself. Like, I want to stay committed to the things that I said I would do, and the things that you said you would do is like make videos, right? So step two is to post consistently for 30 days. And then step three is to pick some sort of niche, some sort of topic or few topics that you can consistently talk about, because then you can actually provide some sort of service to someone, and that service could make you money. Like, for me, I have a coaching service, right? And the first call is free. You could sign up for the first call, the link in the description. But I have this service, and then eventually, it makes me money, because I can charge for my services of coaching people to like how to start their accounts. So it's like, you just first start by making videos, getting over the fear of posting, and then after that, this is the guy next to me is getting in his car. And after that, you try to build some sort of service or product that you can provide to people based on the things that you like talking about that have been helpful to the people who are watching your videos. So those are 3 steps. Number 1, you overcome your own self-doubt and the opinions of other people. Number 2, you post consistently for 30 days. And then number 3, you narrow down to the things that you can actually provide some sort of product or service to your audience, and that's how you make money from just posting online, literally just being yourself. You could just talk about the things that you're passionate about, and eventually it will make you money. Like, this is like the most like amazing business model, and you have the opportunity to pursue it. So don't let anyone's opinions, including your own, hold you back from doing the things that you truly want to do. And listen, it's not easy to put yourself out there. It's not easy to overcome people's opinions. It's not easy to, make the product or service, but it will be worth it. Life's not easy, but it's worth it. Take care.